Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, my sister's kitchen, and in today's video I'll be doing Jamaican rock bun. So here we have our ingredients. Let's go over the ingredients. So we have nutmeg, so we're going to grate some nutmeg. We have our Eve cinnamon powder, have some margarine, have about 67 tablespoons of brown sugar, where we have 2.5 cups of flour, so all-purpose flour. We have a quarter cup of grated coconut. We have a quarter cup of currants. We have 1 egg here which I've beaten, slightly beaten, and we have vanilla along with baking powder and other ingredients you see along the way. So without further ado guys, let's get into baking. Alright, so flour, let's say flour. One teaspoon baking powder. Let's say 2 teaspoons. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of salt. A little of salt. Okay, so we'll be adding our butter. So this is about 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons, which is quarter cup of butter. I'm supposed to use 6 tablespoons. So we're going to use this and add more butter. About 2 tablespoons more butter, I think. Use butter. This is 1 tablespoon. So 1. Two more tablespoons. And then we're going to blend that in. Get a fork. I'm going to blend in our butter. Okay. Alright guys, so here I'm blending. I want to blend it until it gets like breadcrumbs. So yeah, blending the butter into it. Then we're going to stir in our coconut. We're going to add our spices and cinnamon and so forth. So here we have coconut. We're going to throw in our coconut in here. Okay. So blend that in. We're going to add.
Now we're gonna add our currants. So add our currants.
Okay. We're going to blend that in. Okay, we're going to add our sugar. I'm going to blend that in as well. So I'm blending that. We're going to get a spoon. Here it is guys. For add our liquid. So we're going to beat an egg. We're going to beat this. We're going to add a little vanilla. And we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla to that. I'm going to beat it. We're gonna beat it. So we're gonna beat it or something. I'm gonna add our egg mixture. Okay. don't want it too soft. So guys, I'm about to put my wrap buns into the oven and allow them to bake. Here I have some more wrap buns. So we're gonna put them in the oven and allow them to bake for 45 minutes and then we'll come back. Let's wait on those. So guys, here I have it, my wrap bun recipe. They're golden brown and ready to be eaten. Let's take a closer look. There you have it guys. They're golden brown. So this is the thumbnail. Very crunchy. That's my pressure cooker guys in the background. I'm doing rice and peas. So I'm pressure my peas. Sorry for the noise.
So guys, that's it for my video today. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. These wrap buns were very moist and golden brown. Hope you all get to try it, and thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing and liking my videos. See you in my next video. Bye.